Hi everyone. Welcome to the Animal Whisperers series with Dr. Clarke from the Southwest Veterinary Clinic. Today, Dr. Clarke will be discussing animal teeth. Doesn't that sound exciting? So stick around.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Clarke. I am the owner and medical director at Southwest Veterinary Clinic. I am originally from Boston, Massachusetts. I later attended Roxbury Community College in Boston, and then I transferred to the Tuskegee University, where I went for undergrad. I obtained my degree in biology, later went on to vet school and got my doctorate in veterinary medicine, and loved my experience there. After I graduated, I then worked in corporate veterinary medicine. I worked at a 24-hour facility and then in nonprofit before I purchased Southwest Veterinary Clinic in 2019, where I have been the owner and medical director since then. Today, we are talking about dog teeth, specifically puppy teeth first. And we're gonna start with 5 interesting facts about dogs' teeth. Number 1, they have 2 sets just like we do. Humans have baby teeth, dogs have puppy teeth. When they're born, they already have the root buds of their adult teeth over their baby teeth. At about 4 months of age, they start to lose their baby teeth, and it's completed by the time that dog is 6 to 7 months, much quicker than human teeth. And they start out with 28 baby teeth. Number 2, dogs and cats have a lot more adult teeth than we do. As humans, we have 28 permanent adult teeth. Can you guess how many teeth dogs and cats have? I'm going to give you 3 seconds. Okay. I hope you guessed right, because cats have 30 adult teeth and dogs have 42 adult teeth. Fun fact number 3, dogs have the teeth of carnivores. As you've noticed, the very front of your teeth, your incisors, when we think of vegan animals and those animals that eat grasses like rabbits or cows, they have very big front teeth so they can grasp grass and cut it with their incisors, because that is their main source of food. When you think of carnivores, they have very small incisors, like this little baby. Her name is Trey. She's only about 8 weeks, but look at those little tiny baby incisors, because the tooth she will use the most are her canines. And if it's this big in an 8-week-old, think how big it's gonna be when she's an adult, because as a carnivore, she will use that to tear meat and shred, and in some cases, defend herself. In dog teeth, the 3 upper molars only have 2 roots, and the 2 lower molars have 3 roots, which is very different from human teeth. When you look at a dog's tooth like this, all you can see is the crown. But then when you turn it around, you can see that the roots are almost 2/3 of the entire tooth. So all you're seeing is 1/3 of the tooth, which is pretty amazing. Fun fact number 4. All right, fun fact number 5. And these aren't all the fun facts of the world, but just the 5 that I picked. Dogs do not develop cavities, almost never. Why? You're probably thinking in your head, I know why. They don't eat candy. They don't eat sugar, so they don't develop cavities for that reason. Also, when you feel in your mouth, you feel the flat surfaces of your teeth. Dogs have almost no flat surfaces to develop cavities. Trey is a baby, but if you can see, if you look back there, they're all pointy. Say, hey girl, say, I don't have flat teeth like you guys. So she's not gonna get cavities, but you might. So brush your teeth, listen to mom and dad, and go to the dentist. It's Dr. Clarke again, and we got a bonus feature here. So I have had this skull for about 10 years. I met a hog hunter 10 years ago, and he would go to farms and help the hunters with wild hog issues because they disseminate farms and eat all the crops. So he would hunt them and then use the hog for meat, and he gave me a skull. And I want you to see the teeth on this baby. Look at this. It looks like a tusk, but it's a tooth. And these are used for tearing and protection. And then look at the molars on this baby. Look at how strong and big, and there's no flat surfaces. Pretty sure he didn't have cavities either. But how cool is that? It looks like a dinosaur. I've had it so long. I told myself I would bleach it one day. But I just look at it. I just think it's cool, and I thought you guys would love to see it as well. But this was a wild hog. I don't know what age, but I know he was huge. This is just his head. Thank you, guys. I hope you thought it was as cool as I do. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to give you 5 tips to keep your dog or cat's teeth clean and healthy. Number 1, feed a good, nutritionally balanced food. Most health starts with what you put in your body, even for us. But we're talking about dogs and cats. So feed a well-balanced diet, and you can get information from Southwest Veterinary Clinic or your local veterinarian, and they will pick an appropriate diet for your pet depending on breed and age. Number 2, specifically for dogs, you want to feed an appropriate dental chew, much like this. This is a dissolvable rawhide, but it's coated with an enzymatic paste that helps keep the tartar off the teeth. Dogs love it. Even Trey, she's only 8 weeks, but you can see she's already drawn to want to chew on the dental chew. Hardly has any teeth. They just grew in a few weeks ago, but she already understands the importance of dental care. So we did 1, we did 2. Number 3 would be brush your dog's teeth. And you're saying, brush my dog's teeth? So dogs and cats, they do not have mint fluoride toothpaste in the way that we do. They have to have a toothpaste that is appropriate for them, and they are actually allergic to mint and human toothpaste. So it has to be a dog or cat appropriate toothpaste. And many times when we start brushing their teeth, we start with a finger brush. I don't have one to show you, but it looks like a glove with bristles. And that's how you start brushing their teeth. And then you can upgrade to a toothbrush. It takes a lot of time to get them used to the brush, but it's worth it when you think about the span of their life and how teeth can affect the health and wellness of your pet. Number 4, so we talked about diet, we talked about dental chews, we talked about toothbrushing, and now the 4th tip is perform routine exams on your pet's mouth. From the time they're as small as the little puppy I showed you, you should be looking in your pet's mouth. Like Trey, look in her mouth. What do I see? She has an underbite. Not considered normal, but because she is mixed with bulldog, we often see this. So I know that as her teeth grow, she may have some biting issues. Also, I know that she doesn't have any sore spots. Her gums look nice and pink. Can I see your tongue? Ah! Everything looks so healthy. Thank you, Trey. Everything looks really healthy. That's what you want to do to your dog or cat if you can. You may not be able to, but mom or dad can. And it may take time. You want to start out by just touching the muzzle. Then after a while, maybe get your finger on those gums. Feel them. See if it's any soreness. And over time, you'll be able to look in your dog or cat's mouth. May take you even up to a year to work up to being able to feel in the mouth. And the most important, number 5, get your pet seen routinely by a veterinarian for an oral exam. They may recommend something called a dental prophylaxis, a tooth cleaning. When you think of your dog or cat, are they going to leave their mouth open for 20 minutes to get their teeth cleaned? No. So now, dental prophylaxis is very much like surgery in pets. We have to put them under gas anesthesia. We have to maintain them on gas anesthesia, open their mouth, and we clean their teeth, and we use some of the same tools you'll see at a human dentist. We scale, we polish. It's not on, so it's not going to make any sound, but it's very, very human grade equipment because we've advanced so far in veterinary medicine. And you're probably saying, what about the other animals? I'm a small animal veterinarian, so I concentrate on dogs and cats. But at your local library, they have books like this. Tooth by Tooth by Sarah Levine. And she talks about dog teeth, cat teeth, beaver teeth, shark teeth, walrus teeth, and it's all here at your local library. And they have other books. I mean, too many to even... You could read a book a day and you still would not read every book in the library on animals. So that's it. I got the 5 tips. We got 5 ways to improve your dog's health. If you need any more information, you can visit Southwest Veterinary Clinic or your local library. Thank you guys so much for listening, and I look forward to presenting more information for you on your dog or cat. Thank you.